Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study factor theorem. In last video we learnt remainder theorem. This practice set point 5 is based on factor theorem. Now what is the factor theorem? If we get remainder 0 by remainder theorem, if we get remainder 0, then divisor is the factor of that polynomial. Example number 1 of practice set 3.5. Find the value of polynomial. This is polynomial using the given values of x. Now 3 values are given. We have to solve for all 3. Solution. Now for this first, put x is equal to 3 in the polynomial. Now polynomial is this: p of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Now we have to put x is equal to 3. Therefore we get value of p of 3 now. 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. P of 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 2 multiplied by cube of 3 27 plus 7. P of 3 is equal to 6 minus 27 2s are 54 plus 7. Therefore P of 3 is equal to, now here 6 plus 7 13, 13 minus 54, higher relation minus 41, minus 41. Okay, now this is the value of polynomial. Find the value of polynomial, and we got here value of polynomial minus 41. Now for second value, for x is equal to minus 1, let's find the value of this polynomial. Put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial. Now polynomial is again same. P of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Now here put value of x minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 cube plus 7. P of minus 1 is equal to, here product minus 2. Now here you see minus 1 cube minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2, this plus 7. P of minus 1 is equal to, now here 2 minus 2 cancel, 7. This is the value of polynomial. But if I ask you the question that is x is equal to minus 1 the factor of this polynomial, then answer is no. It is not the factor. Why? Because we don't get value of polynomial 0. If we get value of polynomial 0, then we can say this is the factor of this. Now let's find the value of polynomial for x is equal to 0. Number 3 here. Put x is equal to 0 in the polynomial. Polynomial is again here p of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. Here put value of x 0. P of 0 is equal to 2 multiplied by 0 minus 2 multiplied by 0 cube plus 7. P of 0 is equal to, now here product 0 minus here also product 0, 2 cube, 0 cube 0, 0 into 2 plus 7, and therefore we get value of P of 0, 7. This is the value of polynomial. Example number 2 is the same as we solved example number 1. Here find the values of P of 1, P of 0, P of minus 2 for 3 polynomials. Now here 3 values, for 3 values and for 3 polynomials we have to solve this. First, let p of x is equal to x cube. Now let's solve for these three values. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube and value 1 cube is 1. Here for x is equal to 1, we have put here x is equal to 1 first. Second, p of 0 is equal to, here x is equal to 0, here 0 cube value 0, here for x is equal to 0, here x is equal to 0. Third we want p of minus 2, then put x is equal to minus 2, here minus 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8, this is for x is equal to minus 2. Here we got three values for first polynomial. Second polynomial, p of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. Now three values. First, p of 1. Now put y is equal to 1 here. 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. Here you can solve here. Continue. 1 square 1 minus 2 plus 5. And therefore value is here now 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 4. This is the value of p of 1. Second, p of 0. Now put y is equal to 0. 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5. Now solve this. 0 square 0 minus 0 plus 5. And therefore value is also here 5. Second value, p of 0. Now third, p of minus 2. P of minus 2. Put y is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 square minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 square 4 minus plus 2 2s are 4, here product, plus 5, and now here last 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 13. This is the value of p of minus 2 for second polynomial. P of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 2x square minus x for these three values. First, p of 1. Now put x is equal to 1 here, everywhere. 1 raised to 4 minus 2 multiplied by 1 square minus 1. Let's solve this. 1 raised to 4, 1 itself, minus 2 multiplied by 1 square 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 cancel, value minus 2. This is the value of p of 1 of this polynomial. Second, p of 0. Put x is equal to 0. 0 raised to 4 minus 2 multiplied by 0 square minus 1. Now 0 raised to 4, 0 minus here 0 square 0, 0 into 2, 0 minus 1. Value of this is minus 1. Now for third, p of minus 2. Here we are putting x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 raised to 4 minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 square minus 1 is equal to, now minus 2 raised to 4. Now here index power is positive, that's why value will be positive. And what is 2 raised to 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, plus 16 minus, now here you see minus 2 square 4 plus 4 and plus 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8, minus 1. What is the value now? 16 minus 8, 8. 8 minus 1, 7. This is the value of this polynomial for minus 2. Now example number 3. If the value of polynomial is 12. Now here value is already given for m is equal to 2. Then find the value of a. A is one term in the polynomial here. This value we have to find. But value of polynomial is already given there. We don't have to find the value. We have to find the value of a. Now we have to put m is equal to 2 in this polynomial. Put m is equal to 2 in the polynomial. Polynomial is this in terms of m. Therefore I write here p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m plus a. Put m is equal to 2 everywhere. P of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. P of 2 is equal to 2 cube 8 plus 2 2s are 4 plus a. P of 2 is equal to 8 plus 4 12 plus a. But value of polynomial means P of 2 is 12. But P of 2 is equal to 12. It is given in example. And therefore again, if P of 2 is 12, what will be the equation? 12 plus a is equal to 12. Therefore a is equal to 12 minus 12, and we get value a is equal to 0 here. This is the value of a. Example number 4. For the polynomial m square minus 2m plus 3, if p of minus 1 is 7, find m value. Now solution. We have to put x is equal to minus 1. Here p of minus 1 means x is equal to minus 1 we have to put. Put x is equal to minus 1 in the polynomial. Now this is in form of x, that's why polynomial is p of x is equal to mx square minus 2x plus 3. Now put x is equal to minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to m multiplied by, here x value minus 1 square minus 2 multiplied by again minus 1 here plus 3. Now this value is given, p of minus 1 is given, and this is 7. Therefore put here 7 is equal to, and solve this, minus 1 square 1 into m only, minus minus plus 2 1s are 2 plus 3. 7 is equal to m plus 5, and therefore m is equal to 7 minus 5. We get value of m here, m is equal to 2. Find m, we got value of m 2. After question number 4, there is question number 5. Divide the first polynomial by second. Is first is dividend, second is divisor, and find the remainder using factor theorem. By using factor theorem, we have to find remainder here. Now let's see the solution. First write what is dividend. Dividend is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. This is given polynomial p of x. Divisor is this. Divisor is equal to x plus 1. Now here divisor is x plus 1, but what is the value of x? We have to take opposite of plus 1. Opposite of plus 1, that is x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now dividend is p of x. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 7x plus 9. This is dividend, means polynomial. Divisor is x plus 1. That is x is equal to opposite of plus 1 minus 1. We have to put x is equal to minus 1 in this polynomial. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square minus 7 multiplied by minus 1 plus 9. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square 1 minus minus plus 7, 1s are 7 plus 9. P of minus 1 is equal to, now addition here, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 10 plus 7 17. P of minus 1 is equal to 17 and this is the remainder. Therefore, remainder is equal to 17. This is factor theorem. Example number 2 of fifth example. Solution. Dividend is equal to 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. Divisor is x minus a, that is x is equal to opposite of minus a plus a. This is the value of a. Let p of x polynomial now, means dividend. Dividend is this 2x cube minus 2x square plus ax minus a. Now put x is equal to a. P of a is equal to 2 into a cube minus 2a square plus a into a minus a. And let's find the value of p of a, that will be the remainder. 2a cube minus 2a square plus a square, here a into a minus a. P of a is equal to 2a cube. Now here minus 2a square plus a square minus a square plus, here minus a. And this is the remainder by factor theorem. Example number 3 of question number 5. Here dividend is 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5. This is p of x. Divisor is m minus 3, and that is m is equal to opposite of minus 3 plus 3 here. This is the value of m. We have to put in polynomial. Let p of m, now here variable is m, that's why we will write here p of m is equal to 54m cube plus 18m square minus 27m plus 5. This is given polynomial p of m. Now put m is equal to 3. We will get here remainder by factor theorem. 54 multiplied by 3 cube plus 18 multiplied by 3 square minus 27 multiplied by 3 plus 5. We have to solve here now. 54 multiplied by cube of 3, 27 plus 18 multiplied by square of 3, 9 minus, here product we have to do, 27 into 3 I write as it is, plus 5. Now first product and then addition. 54 multiplied by 27, I wrote here 1458 plus 18 9s are 162 minus 27 3s are 81 plus 5. Now here addition 1458 plus 162, addition is here 1620 minus 81 plus 5. After that we will subtract here. 20 minus 81 is 1539 plus 5, and now here we get answer addition here now 1544. This is p of 3 means remainder by factor theorem.